Robots and AI will both remove and add jobs. Over the past 2 decades, 1.7 million manufacturing jobs have been lost due to robots and automation. However, it's estimated that by 2025, AI will create 97 million new job opportunities. But not everyone agrees that this prospect looks entirely hopeful. Some people, like Sean Cho, CEO of AI startup Catalytic, don't have a positive view of robots. Cho believes robots are unintelligent, and he's not alone in this view. Cho points to examples of robot failures on YouTube to support his claim. However, while machines are advancing, their progress is slower than what some media outlets portray. This is good news for people who worry about losing their jobs to robots and AI-powered technology. However, not everyone will benefit from this slower progress. So what kind of jobs will be impacted by the evolution of AI? According to many experts, several professions may become entirely automated within the next 5 to 10 years. The Forbes Technology Council, which includes senior-level tech executives, identified 15 such professions. In 2018, Kai-Fu Lee, an AI specialist and CEO of Sinovation Ventures, predicted that AI would automate half of all jobs within 15 years. Some of these jobs include insurance underwriting. AI could take over insurance underwriting jobs by using algorithms to analyze data and make decisions on insurance policies. This means that tasks such as risk assessment and pricing, which are currently done by humans, could be automated with AI. AI could also use predictive modeling to identify patterns and trends in data, which could be used to improve decision-making and reduce errors. Warehouse jobs. By using robots and machines that are programmed to perform repetitive tasks, such as picking and packing products, moving items from one place to another, and assembling components, AI could make these jobs obsolete for humans. These robots can work faster and more efficiently than humans, and they do not require breaks or rests, which can make them more cost-effective for businesses. Additionally, AI can analyze data and optimize processes, leading to further automation and job displacement. Customer service. Robots may take over customer service jobs by using software programs that can understand and respond to customer inquiries and complaints, similar to how humans do. These programs can be trained with vast amounts of data to improve their accuracy and speed in answering questions, handling transactions, and providing support to customers. As these programs continue to develop and become more sophisticated, they could potentially replace human customer service representatives altogether. Long-haul trucking. Long-haul trucking could be done completely by AI if the trucks were equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and software that enable them to perceive and navigate the road safely and efficiently. The AI system would analyze real-time data from the sensors and cameras to make decisions about speed, route, and other factors. It would also be capable of communicating with other vehicles and infrastructure systems, such as traffic lights and toll booths, to optimize the transportation process. Numerous studies, including those conducted by McKinsey Global Institute, Oxford University, and the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, suggest that the implementation of AI will result in significant changes. Both skilled and unskilled workers are expected to be affected. However, despite the potential impact of AI, there are various positive theories about the nature of the change, which suggest that the future of work may not be as bleak as some may fear. That's right, some jobs will always need human workers. Which ones? We'll get to that soon, but first share your thoughts with us down below in the comments. Are you nervous AI may take over your job? Also, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to leave a like and of course subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any more awesome content like this. Now let's get back to the video. Some job roles can never be replaced by AI, which is a comforting thought. These roles include those that require creativity, empathy, and complex political or strategic decision-making, among others. They include teaching. Teaching is a job that involves human interaction, empathy, and creativity, which are difficult for AI to replicate. A teacher needs to have a deep understanding of how students learn and be able to adjust their teaching style to accommodate different learning styles and abilities. They also need to be able to provide emotional support and encouragement to students. Additionally, teaching often involves hands-on activities and discussions that require critical thinking and problem-solving skills, which AI does not possess. As a result, teaching is a job that's unlikely to be completely replaced by AI. Writing. The job of writing involves creativity, imagination, and original thought, which are difficult for AI to replicate. While AI can be trained to generate text using predefined rules and patterns, it cannot match human creativity or understanding of the nuances of language. AI can produce formulaic content, but it cannot come up with original and engaging ideas that are unique to human experience. Because of this, human writers are still needed to produce content that is compelling, informative, and thought-provoking. Lawyers. Lawyers are unlikely to be replaced by AI, as the legal system involves complex decision-making that requires a deep understanding of the law, ethical considerations, and social context. While AI can assist with legal research and document analysis, it cannot match the human ability to interpret legal concepts, make strategic decisions, or navigate interpersonal relationships that are often critical to legal cases. Additionally, the legal system is subject to constant changes, both in law and technology, which require human lawyers to adapt and stay informed. Therefore, while AI can support lawyers in some tasks, human expertise and judgment will continue to be necessary for the foreseeable future. Medical professionals. Medical professionals will always be human and not AI, because healthcare involves more than just diagnosing and treating illnesses. Patients need human interaction, empathy, and trust to feel comfortable and confident in their care. Doctors and other healthcare professionals can provide this human touch, which is essential to healing and recovery. Additionally, healthcare requires the ability to diagnose based on multiple factors, including patient history, symptoms, and individual circumstances. While AI can assist with data analysis, it cannot replicate the intuition and expertise that comes with years of medical training and experience. The human connection and expertise that healthcare professionals provide make them irreplaceable by AI. You may have noticed a trend here. AI has 4 fundamental limitations that make it unsuitable for certain job roles. These include inability to perform complex strategic planning, limited ability to carry out tasks that require precision hand-eye coordination, difficulty in dealing with unknown and unstructured environments, inability to express empathy. As AI becomes more prevalent, there will still be a need for human workers to help us adjust to this new reality. According to Cho, technology adaptation requires human involvement to ensure that it reduces workloads instead of increasing them. As technology becomes more encompassing and demanding, the need for human involvement increases. Cho uses video games as an example of how technology has evolved. In the past, a single person could create a game using shareware. However, nowadays, game development requires a team of people, including voice actors, designers, and experts in physics, as well as a significant budget. The trend towards more complex technology means that more human workers will be required to support and develop it. Dan Platt, a technical product manager at Narrative Science, disagrees with the idea that people become less independent as we rely more on computers and AI. He believes that human workers will continue to be essential in jobs such as plumbing, electrical work, and window installation. Platt argues that many jobs require a human touch and cannot be automated by AI. While AI can assist in many industries, human-to-human interaction will always be necessary in the workplace. As a result, workers in fields that require personal connections and specialized skills will continue to be in demand. This all being said, there are still some massive benefits to having AI in the workplace. Want to know what they are? Well, keep watching. One of the benefits of AI is that it can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and fulfilling projects, or simply have some rest. According to Cho, the displacement of certain jobs and tasks is a common concern, but the result is often an increase in productivity and redirection towards more productive work. Some experts believe that increased productivity could lead to a shorter work week, but this also raises questions about pay and benefits. Currently, it's unclear who will benefit most from increased productivity and automation. In the past, technology has created more work, but Justin Adams, formerly CEO at Digitize AI, believes there will be an inflection point where AI will flip this trend by taking over certain tasks completely. But how exactly will AI help to create more jobs for humans instead of making us all unemployed? AI will create jobs by automating repetitive and tedious tasks that currently take up a lot of human time and effort, allowing workers to focus on more complex and rewarding projects. The development, implementation, and maintenance of AI technology will require an army of people to train and monitor the technology, as well as to create new AI systems and improve existing ones. Some experts predict that AI will even generate new industries and job categories that we haven't yet imagined. While AI may displace certain jobs, it will also create new opportunities for workers. To survive and thrive in the face of AI, workers and companies must plan ahead. Instead of worrying, they should take action to adapt to the changes that are coming. While it will require sacrifice and adjustments, it's important to remember that skills like compassion and creativity will continue to be valuable in future workplaces, particularly in fields related to care, education, and other human-centered jobs.